When I came in 2013, I bought my own cameras. I flew about 40 people from India. They came with me and they shot. 10 years back. Here, because now the Indian government is against me, I did hijrah from India to Malaysia, and they have taken custody of all my cameras. I hired from here. And do you know, the one I bought 10 years back is multiple times better than the cameras I had from you. That camera they didn't have. Then I went to FX9, they don't have. So then I bought my cameras from Malaysia, 3 cameras, and the balance I bought from Lagos. Technology is way behind. 10 years back, what I owned is not available anywhere in the country today, in the whole of Nigeria. What I'm telling, you can buy it, but they think if I buy the expensive camera, there's no business. They fail to realize you do business with Allah. If you shoot the high quality, what we do, we shoot in 4K and 8K and then downgrade it to HD. We telecast in HD because 4K telecast is not that popular yet. So we shoot on the 4K and 8K with the best of cameras and we downgrade it. There is no channel in the world. So on the Sony website it came, the first TV channel which has 14 4K and 8K cameras is Pitch TV. It came on the website in 2015.